children, welcome to the maths class. In chapter 11, perimeter and area, we completed question 1 to question 4 of exercise 11.2 in previous class. Question 5. PQRS is a parallelogram and we know that the area of parallelogram is base into height. If we consider side SR as the base, we have to consider QM as the height because QM is perpendicular on this base SR. Product of base into height, we will get area of this parallelogram. If we will consider the side PS as the base, we have to take height QN because QN is perpendicular on this side PS. Product of base PS into height QN will give us area. In both the cases, we will get the same answer for area. In this question, base SR is given 12 cm and its corresponding height QM is given 7.6 cm. And we have to find out the area of this parallelogram PQRS. We know that the area of parallelogram is equal to base into its corresponding height. Here base is given as R 12 cm and its corresponding height QM is given 7.6 cm. Units are same, so we can multiply. Multiply 12 and 7.6. We'll get here 91.2 and centimeter into centimeter square centimeter. So the area of parallelogram PQRS is 91.2 square centimeter. Now take PS as the base. So its corresponding height is QN. Base PS into height QN will give us same area. So here area is 91.2 square centimeter and this base PS is given 8 centimeter. And we know that base into height is area. Here base is PS and its corresponding height is QN. But we want here height. So we have to divide this area by this base. So take this base PS here in the denominator. Now we have these values. Area of this parallelogram is 91.2 square centimeter means centimeter into centimeter. And the base PS is given 8 centimeter. Divide. 1 centimeter will cut and divide 91.2 by 8. We get here 11.4 and 1 centimeter is there. So the height QN is 11.4 centimeter. So we get answers here. Area of parallelogram PQRS is 91.2 square centimeter and height QN is 11.4 centimeter. Question 6. Here ABCD is given a parallelogram. DL is the height on base AB and BM is the height on base AD. The bases are given and area is given. We have to find out their corresponding heights. Area of the parallelogram is given 1470 square centimeter. Base AB is given 35 centimeter and we have to find out its corresponding height DL. We know that base into height is the area of parallelogram. Here we have to find out height DL. So divide the area of parallelogram by its corresponding base. Area is given here 1470 square centimeter means centimeter into centimeter and divided by the base AB, its corresponding base, and it is given 35 centimeter. 1 centimeter will cut. Divide this 1470 by 35. We get here 42 and this is centimeter. So DL is 42 centimeter. Now base AD is given 49 centimeter. Area we have 1470 centimeter into centimeter. So to find height BM, we have to divide this area by the base AD. Base AD is 49 centimeter. Divide it. 1 centimeter will cancel and divide 1470 by 49. 49 3s are 147 and one more 0. So we get here 30 centimeter. Height DL is 42 centimeter and height BM is 30 centimeter. Question 7. Here a triangle ABC is given, right angled at A. Measures of all the three sides are given and AD is given perpendicular on the base BC. We have to find out the area of triangle ABC and the height AD. Let us find out the area of this triangle first. Here this angle is right angle. That means AB and AC, they are perpendicular to each other. Any one side we can take as the base and the other height. Let us take AB as the base and AC as the height. Formula we have, area of triangle is equal to half base into its corresponding height. Half. Base is given 5 centimeter. Height is, its corresponding height is 12 centimeter. This 2 is in denominator, cut it with 12 in the numerator. 2 6 are 12, 5 6 are 30 and centimeter into centimeter, square centimeter. So the area of triangle ABC is 30 square centimeter. Now we have to find out height AD. Its corresponding base is BC, it is given 13 centimeter. We have formula half base into its corresponding height equal to area of the triangle. We have to find out height AD. So we don't want this 2 here in the denominator, take it in the numerator on other side. BC we don't want, take it here on other side in denominator and then put the values. 2, area of triangle is 30 square centimeter means centimeter into centimeter. Base BC is given 13 centimeter. Centimeter will cancel. 32s are 60 and here it is 13. 1 centimeter is there. So the height AD is 60 by 13 centimeter. Area is 30 square centimeter and height AD is 60 by 13 centimeter. Question 8. Here ABC is an isosceles triangle with sides AB and AC equal. AD is the height on base BC and CE is the height on base AB. We have to find out the area of triangle ABC and height CE. Here base BC is given 9 centimeter and its corresponding height AD is given 6 centimeter. So we can find out the area. For finding out the area of triangle, we have formula half base into its corresponding height. Half base BC is given 9 centimeter and its corresponding height AD is given 6 centimeter. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 9 3s are 27 and centimeter into centimeter, square centimeter. So the area of this triangle ABC is 27 square centimeter. Now we have area of this triangle and a base AB. We can find out height CE. So again the formula is half base into height equal to area of triangle. We want height CE. So take this 2 here in the numerator and AB here in the denominator and put the values. 2 into area of triangle is 27 centimeter into centimeter and AB this base is given 7.5 centimeter. This centimeter will cut. Now denominator is decimal number. We don't want it decimal. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. So this point will shift one digit right and we will get a natural number. And 27 2s are 54. One more 0 and this will become 75 centimeter. Now divide this 540 by 75. 75 7s are 525. 15 will be the remainder. Point will come here and 75 2s are 150. So we get here 7.2 centimeter. So the area of triangle is 27 square centimeter and height CE is 7.2 centimeter.